So not what I normally do as Milmo wood, but today I'm starting to make a gate in this area here for a very good customer of mine. Let's see how we get on. Not that I'm tired or anything. I wish I did more than sit at a desk, my day job. But there we go, first post hole done. Let's get on to the second one. A lot easier than I thought, because as you can see, we're in quite a wooded area. I thought there'd been loads of roots, but absolutely nothing really. Yep, second post hole done. Is kind of the first draft, if you like. So I've done nothing more than dig a hole and put the posts in. Brought straight edge from 4x1. Brought my spirit level. Ooh, don't know if you can see that. You having that? All but spot on. Oh well, post set. Waiting for the concrete to go off properly. Backfilled it. It's quick drying postcrete. And then put the existing fence back in just to keep it secure till I come back. Unfortunately, quite a big gap. That's because of how much concrete was at the bottom of that post in the ground. So I'll come up with a way to close that gap up and hide it. The other side, smaller gap. And again, I can easily hide that and make it look like part of the gate. So back making the gate, just doing the framework for the gate, notching out, ready for the lap joints. So notching done, we've got one of the braces cut, the main gate is together, I just need to cut another brace there, and then we're ready to look at hanging. Well, gate frame done, let's have a look at closing the gaps or hanging the gate. Oh well, gap closing time. Now to start bringing the gate together, putting the front on, and I'm going to put a skirt on the bottom there. Okay, so gate panelled, and I've started to plug the larger gap on the right hand side. Let's see where we get. So this is from the outside looking in now. Looking good, nearly there. All finished, bolts on, we've used a pull for the handle and bolts in for the hinges, and gaps closed. From the outside, the idea was not to make it look too much like a gate from a distance, so no handle on the outside. Happy days, really pleased.